Hi, everyone. I'm Tim Farnham with Black Label Real Estate, and this is your December 2023 San Francisco Real Estate Market Update. Welcome back to our real estate channel, where we dive into the latest market trends and insights. Today, we are looking at a fascinating shift in the housing market as of December 2023. Despite the Federal Reserve's caution, financial markets are betting on an end to interest rate hikes. Interest rate future traders are predicting a significant cut in the Federal Reserve fund rate, which could be a game changer for real estate. Let's take a quick journey back in time. Remember when the pandemic hit and the Fed slashed the Fed rates to almost 0%? This move, along with pushing mortgage-backed securities, pushed the average 30-year mortgage rate to a record low of 2.65% in early 2021. But as inflation spiked, the Fed had to do something and reverse course. They raised interest rates, leading mortgage rates to skyrocket to a 23-year high of 7.79% in October 2023. Higher mortgage rates have undoubtedly cooled the housing market. This correlation is clear. As rates climbed, the market began to slow, and in October 23, we saw a peak in the monthly cost for buyers, leading to a record number of home purchase cancellations. Looking ahead, there is a silver lining. The dip in sales in 2023 has allowed for a much-needed increase in the housing inventory. Although still down year over year, inventory rose by 20% in 2023. This trend, along with anticipated rate cuts, could invigorate the housing market, especially in the spring and summer of 2024. Home prices in San Francisco do remain relatively stable, with prices for single-family homes and condos hovering between $1.2 and $1.6 million, respectively. We anticipate a stable market through winter, though, with the potential of price increases in the first half of 2024 as interest rates decline. San Francisco's inventory has been following a typical seasonal trend, but at a lower level, especially for condos. With the current low inventory, new listings will be a significant factor in driving sales. Buyers are gaining some negotiating power, with sellers are still receiving slightly higher than their asking average price. Finally, let's talk about the monthly supply of inventory. In San Francisco, a balanced market is generally indicated by about 3 months of inventory. In San Francisco's market, it usually favors sellers, especially for single-family homes. However, this has fluctuated over the past year, with the inventory hovering into the buyer's market from time to time, but it has mainly stayed in the seller's market territory. That's it for our market update. For more details and insights or personalized advice on buying or selling your home, stay tuned to our channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications to our latest videos. We'll see you next time.